Hello guys, welcome to my second video. In this video I will be talking about combinations instead of factorials, and I will be using combinations to approach to kind of questions that I have discussed in my last video. So what is combination? Just let me give you a brief introduction. Combination is when you want to choose a group of people out of a bigger group of people, and you don't care about their order. So if you choose Danny, Sam and Annie, you don't care if it's Annie first, Danny second, you just choose them three together. So that's a one case. So you remember, permutations and combinations are different, because in permutations you really care about orders, and in combinations you don't care about orders. Okay, so now let me give you the formula for combinations. So this is the formula for combinations. This equals to n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r factorial. And remember, n equals to the number of the bigger group. So for instance, if you want to choose like 50 people from 100 people, n is 100 and then r is 50. Okay, and okay, so let's do a problem and then we can have a better understanding of the combinations. Okay, so suppose a football team has 10 defenders, 15 midfielders, 20 strikers, and 10 goalkeepers. Of course, you know that a team consists of 11 players, so in field we can see only 11 of these people. So the coach decides to have like this formation 4-3-3. So he needs to have 4 defenders, 3 midfielders, and 3 strikers. And of course it needs to have 1 goalkeeper, but I don't write it here. So 1 goalkeeper. So how many ways are there to choose this formation from this? So of course, you know, there are different people, different 10 defenders, 15 different midfielders. So we need to have 4-3-3 formation here. But how many ways this can be done? Remember, we don't care about like one of them standing first, the second one standing third, I don't know. We care about how many ways there are. We don't care about the order we can choose. So to do this we need to use combinations. First of all, we need 4 defenders out of 10. So 10 is the bigger number of group. We take 10 and then we take 4 at the bottom. So n equals to 10 and r equals to 4. Okay, so this is equals to 10. This equals to 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial. Okay, and this equals to to show you in your calculator, if you have a Texas calculator, you can just type NCR, then you open brackets, and then you type 10, and then 4, and then you get, there are 210. You can do this in 210 ways. Okay, so you can choose 4 with 202 ways. 202 ways. Okay, so how many ways are there to choose 3 out of 15? So you just do 15. Oh, no, sorry, no. Okay, just let me delete it. Okay, 15 and 3. Okay, so 15 factorial divided by 3 factorial divided by 12 factorial. 12 because 15 minus 3 is 12. If you don't know, please don't watch this video. Okay, 15 out of 3. No, 3 out of 15, sorry. So 450 ways. Okay, and then we have to choose 3 strikes out of 20. So we just do 20, and then we get 20 factorial, 3 factorial, and then 17 factorial. And then we get NCR 20 out of 3. Okay, and then finally the ways we can choose a goalkeeper is 10, 1, which equals to 10. Okay, but we did it separately. We need 11 players together. So remember, we use AND. We use 210 times 455 times 1140 times 10. Why we do this? Because remember, we need to have 4 defenders and 3 midfielders and 3 strikers and 1 goalkeeper. So remember, when it's and, we just use times. If it was like 4 defenders or 4 midfielders or 4 strikers, we would use just plus. Okay, and this equals to this is very big number. This equals to, I can't pronounce it, but this equals to this. So there are this many ways to take this formation out of this many people. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video.
Bağım bu saçanlayız Anayız qaz balayız Kesamargan həz Qıdam zirucan